Mr. President, on behalf of the people of Kamsur, thank you for giving us hope. Thank you for uplifting the lives of the people of Camarines Sur. Mr. President, I truly believe in your call for unity because if there is unity, there is strength. And we can only progress as a nation if we unite as one. So I call on all Camarinenses, I call on all Bicolanos, let us unite under the leadership of our President because his success is our success. Ang tagumpay ng ating Pangulo ay ang tagumpay ng bawat Pilipino. For all that you have done for the province of Camarines Sur, as a way of expressing our everlasting gratitude for all that you have done, Mr. President, please allow me to present to you the resolution by the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Camarines Sur declaring you, Mr. President, as the adopted son of Camarines Sur.